Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily use and put tags on your threads. First of all, open up the Instagram Threads mobile application. There it is, open it up. Once you open it up, now what you have to do is at the bottom center you should find the plus button. Once you go into the plus button, the post page will appear. From here you can easily upload a post. You can either go for a picture or a GIF, or even just go for something like a voice note or some chat, like some written text. After doing so, click on this hash symbol on the right side. This interface will appear. You can either just click on that, otherwise what you can do is go to the hashtag and like put your tags up. For example, new thread, like go for this one. Now again go for the hash symbol like this and go for sweet dreams. As you can see, it is tag limit reached. I have just added a tag limit. Otherwise you can write as many tags as you want on threads, and that is how you can add hashtags on your threads post. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.